Today we're going to change the belt tensioner on the Stihl TS410 cut-off saw. First of all, use the Torx Spanner to remove the screw that secures the water connector from the underside of the machine. This will provide better access to the recoil. Next, use a 19mm Hex Socket Spanner, turning it anti-clockwise to loosen the tension of the belt. Once this is done, use a 30mm Hex Socket Spanner to loosen the 3 nuts that secure the recoil assembly. Then revisit each nut and completely remove them, freeing the recoil from the machine. Using the Torx Spanner, remove the screw that secures the nose guard to the arm. Once the nose guard is off, use a 19mm Hex Socket Spanner, turning it anti-clockwise to further loosen the tension of the belt. Completely remove the front of the saw to free the belt. Using the 19mm Hex Socket Spanner, turning it clockwise to further loosen the tension, to the point where the tension is released. This will then make removing the belt tensioner much easier. Then using the Torx Spanner, remove the 2 screws that secure the clamping lever in place. This part also holds the belt tensioner in position. Once this has been removed, you can completely remove the belt tensioner. Place your new belt tensioner into position. Using the Torx Spanner, secure the clamping lever into place. Once that's done, return to tension the belt with the 19mm Hex Socket Spanner, turning it anti-clockwise. To fit the belt, locate it over the clutch, making sure that it is sitting in the grooves correctly to prevent damage to the belt. Then feed the belt back through the arm, relocating the arm back into position around the studs. Feed the belt back around the pulley. Slowly turning the pulley will help you easily locate the belt. Make sure the blade turns with a smooth motion. Relocate the casing onto the arm and use a Torx Spanner to fix this in place. Make sure the screw is secure without over tightening it, as the casing is only plastic. Locate the recoil assembly onto the machine, loosely turn each nut a few times. Then return to tighten each nut with a 13mm spanner again. Be careful not to split the plastic when tightening. Then retension the belt using the 19mm Hex Socket Spanner. Don't forget to fix the water connector back into place under the machine using the Torx Spanner. That's how you change the belt tensioner on a Stihl TS410. All the parts and tools needed for the task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.